Hi again, this is Irfan with some film gear. Today this is what I have come across. I recently bought a huge camera lot and this was a part of that lot. This one is Olympus OM10. It comes with a basic 50mm f1.8 lens. Appears to be in a decent shape, and to my surprise it does work. I wasn't expecting from these cameras. I bought this lot as is, but fortunately most of the cameras are in fully working condition, and cosmetics are also pretty decent. Nothing serious in terms of wear. Meter is also responding. Everything seems to be working fine. The focus works fine, aperture works fine, and the shutter is also working as it should. It also came with Nikon N80 camera body. It's an AF body, which is also working perfectly. Nikon N80 camera bodies can even accept latest Nikon AFS lenses. They sell very well and they perform very well. And there was this Nikon FM10 camera body, which is also working fine. I need to install a battery in it. I did test it earlier and it is working. Came with this portrait lens, which is aftermarket, but it's kind of working fine. It's a AI version. Pretty decent shape. Nikon FM10 is working fine. I think the lens sort of might need a little bit of adjustment. Because earlier when I cocked shutter and tried to release it, it didn't fire. Might need a little bit of adjustment. This is what was my recent find. There are some more cameras with it. I will soon make a video on those, but they were not, in that good condition. It was overall decent find. At least these cameras are fully functional. We'll have to put an AF lens on it, though it works very well. In case you have any questions, comments, feel free to write to me as usual. Thank you very much for your time.